你好，我名叫Amanda. If I had to use one word to describe myself, it would be middle. I grew up as a middle child in the Midwest and have been living and working in the Middle Kingdom since 2006. My teaching experience has been very diverse from preschool to middle school math, science, and literature, all the way up through university English classes and teaching English to a renowned group of international gastrointestinal surgeons. When I look forward to this class, I am especially interested in understanding the relationship between the community, the school, and the home, specifically in as much as that relates to families who may be marginalized because of language barriers, cultural barriers, or economic difficulties. My two great passions are young children and knowing Christ and making him known. I have always been surrounded by young children, whether it's my nieces and nephews or the children I teach or children at church or my friends' children. And it's always just a great joy to watch them grow and develop. And I've had the privilege of being able to share God's love with people in China, despite certain limitations. So I'm thankful for that. And I'm looking forward to going back there as soon as the borders open up again. As far as hobbies, I enjoy rock climbing and swing dancing, but my involvement is currently quite limited just because of the time limitations of working and studying. I look forward to studying with you all and getting to know you, and we will finish off with 再见.